Hi, I'm Abhay Vashni. I'm here to present EduSage, a project designed to solve a critical crisis facing our youth. We are seeing a devastating gap between education and employability. Millions of young people, especially in semi-urban and rural areas, lack affordable, localized skilling pathways. They spend years in classroom learning theory but face a massive disconnect when it comes to the job-ready competencies employers actually demand. Our solution, EduSage, is an AI-powered mentor that bridges this gap. It converts classroom concepts into applied skills and maps learners directly to local internship opportunities. It is personalized, accessible, and action oriented. But rather than just telling you about it, let me show you EduSage in action. So let's begin the demonstration of EduSage. I'm now logging into EduSage MVP. We have designed this with a chat-first user experience to ensure it's accessible for all digital literacy levels. So first I'll type my name. I'll type my dream role. So now it's saying that I need to tell about my skill level. So I'll type intermediate. I'll tell that I want to continue in English only. It supports many languages. So now it's making a roadmap for me, and also I'll be having option for interview. I'll also give demonstration for interview. So these are the pathways, and there's a mock interview option. So I can add voice responses, and automatically chat logs will be created.
Yes, let's start. Can you tell me about a time you faced a technical challenge during a project? How did you approach it?
So once I was working on a project, it was a team project, and we were facing technical difficulty for choosing our database, which type of database we should use for our project, and we asked from all the team members about their proficiency in which database, and then according to our user base size, we decided to go with Prisma.
Okay, you chose Prisma. What are some of the trade offs you considered when making that decision?
So first trade-off was that we were not using uh, a most popular database, MongoDB. We were using Prisma because most of our teammates were comfortable in writing SQL in TypeScript. So we used Prisma and we completed our project.
It sounds like you made a thoughtful decision based on your team's comfort and the project's. That sounds like you had a solid plan for managing your time and completing the project. Can you tell me about a time you received constructive feedback that helped you improve?
So like this, we can continue our whole interview, and when I'm over, I can click on stop voice and see the result. So this was my interview feedback. These were my strengths and improvement along with the tip. Now I can return back to dashboard. Select the pathway and it start the module of mastering collaborative development and code quality. It tells me the basic definitions and asks me a question to see if I know if I learned it correctly or not. Here you can see that according to my answer it gives me a personalized message. So now let's move to the technical stack and architecture of our EduSage platform. Let's look at the engineering behind that demo. Our stack is built for performance and scale. We use Next.js for reactive, fast UI. Flask and Node.js manage our API requests. We utilize open source LLM like the Llama or Vinuka family. Critically, we use a vector database like Milvus. This allows the AI to instantly retrieve localized context, meaning the curriculum adapts to the specific region the student is in. For the voice feature you just saw, we leverage ONX and Triton to process interface with minimal latency. We are also offline first. We address low bandwidth by pre-generating compressed JSON and audio study pack. Users can download these bundles and study offline using SQLite for local storage, syncing their progress only when they get connectivity. Our innovation lies in how we use these open models. Most generic AI will define a Python loop using dry technical jargon. EduSage is different. As you can see on screen, a fine-tuned model explains the same concept using the local analogy. We also prioritize responsible AI. By using open models, we can implement strict safety filters. We have a human in the loop pipelining to flag and high stakes advice, ensuring the platform remains safe and trustworthy. Our roadmap is clear. In the next 3 months, we are deploying in 2 colleges and 3 community centers to reach 500 learners. We will move to containerized interference with auto scaling to support thousands of users. This feature will take the performance data from those mock interviews and automatically match high performing students with internships at partner organizations. We align this project with the Unleash LLM rubric, focusing heavily on impact, innovation, and technical feasibility. EduSage is more than just a tool, it's a ladder for social mobility. By closing the gap between potential and opportunity, we are empowering the next generation to build their future. Thank you.